Hey everyone, it's Hadar. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have a short and sweet pronunciation lesson for you, and I'm going to teach you how to pronounce this word. The reason why I'm making this video is because I actually made a very quick pronunciation video on social media teaching this word, and I started getting a lot of questions, and I realized that I haven't shared the full story of this word and the 3 different pronunciations that you can use when saying this word. So I'm gonna teach you all 3. Actually, there are more, but we're gonna focus on the top 3. By the way, I'm Hadar. I'm a speech and pronunciation coach. I'm a non-native speaker of English, and I am here to help you speak English with clarity, confidence, and freedom. So the first pronunciation is environment. This pronunciation is more aligned with the spelling. So let's break it down. The first syllable is in, lacks I, and then an N, in, then vi, a V sound and the long I as in my. That's also the primary stress, so this syllable is going to be longer, louder, and higher in pitch. In vi, and then run, an R, a schwa, and an N. Run, run, run. Environ, and then ment, an M, a schwa, which is a reduced vowel, and T, mint, mint, mint. You can also pronounce it with a healthy mint, mint. Environment, environment, environment. Say it again with me. Environment. The second pronunciation, and this is where it gets tricky, is this. Environment. So actually, the vowel shifts from after the R. This is what it seems like in the spelling, right? R-O-N. So you think that there is a vowel after the R. But in fact, what happens is that the vowel is actually pronounced before the R. Listen again. Environment. Environment. I like to imagine as if there is a y sound that connects the vi and the ern. Environment. 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 Now you're probably confused because the spelling is not aligned with pronunciation, which is something that often happens in English. Think about it. Even in this word, it's not pronounced as I run, but I yearn. Exactly the same pattern. Listen. I yearn. I yearn. Environ. Environ. And then you end it the same way, ment, ment, ment. Environment, environment. However, there is another way that makes it even easier to pronounce, and that is without the N. Listen, environment, 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 environment. All right, now choose the pronunciation that is the easiest for you. Environment.
Become part of the environment around you.
Environment.
They're creating a welcoming environment.
Or environment.
In the mediated environment.
And let's practice it in sentences. I'm going to use the third pronunciation. I support organizations that preserve and protect the environment. Recycling is a simple and effective way to help the environment and reduce waste. To improve your English, you need to create the right environment for you to succeed. What other sentences with the word environment can you think of? Write them down in the comments. All right, that's it. If you like this video, then hit like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And also come and check out my website at hadarshemish.com, where I have a ton of free resources for you and a lot of how to pronounce videos. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, where I share daily content. Have a beautiful, beautiful rest of the day, and I will see you next week in the next video. Bye.